Hi, I'm John. I'm from Manchester in the United Kingdom, and I'm back here today with Eugenix to have my second procedure. I'm so happy with the first procedure, the results. As you can see, the things that really make me happy so far, like the temples, like I had 400 grafts in each temple, which was the Pradeep record at the time. Maybe not so much now. However, yeah, but I'm absolutely delighted so far. I mean, I've got so much from the transplant so far. Like I feel like I've got confidence. I feel like I look my age as well, to be honest. Like before the transplant, I looked much older, and now I feel like I look my age, and I think that that's one of the best things that I've got, and so really happy so far. One thing that really kind of struck me, the good thing about Eugenix was the kind of the post-surgery after support. One thing I really liked, that there was always somebody 24 hours a day that could respond to the text. So if you had any queries, so I had a few queries post-transplant, and it was very quick. So yeah, like it's simple as really. So you had like a WhatsApp group with you and the Eugenix doctors, and you post questions and they would answer them. But they'd also, each kind of day and each week, so after, they would also provide like updates and sort of expectations where you should be. So it kind of gave me good metrics of where I need to be post-transplant. And if there was any concerns, they would always be there replying very fast. So I was really pleased with that and happy with that. And that's part of my decision why I'm choosing Eugenix for the second procedure. In terms of the first time that I went to Eugenix, I was a lot more nervous, I must admit, like the nerves, but when I heard the second time, I have absolutely zero nerves. Like the clinic, it's changed as well, it's got better, there's more, it's modernised even more, it's, the clinic is really doing well for itself. I've recently just completed my second procedure today here at Eugenix. I think the first thing I've noted about Eugenix was, especially being here the first time, is that I had such a good kind of minimal, high quality, great result, and I sort of had that high expectation going into the second procedure. And again, it's definitely been matched there. So this time the work was to focus on the crown area. So we did 2,700 grafts in the crown. In terms of the surgery itself, everything went really smooth. The slits went there, and then we had the graft, and 1,300 have come from the beard today as well. So yeah, absolutely delighted. The one thing I would emphasise is how kind of, when you get any pain or feel any pain, the nurses are very quickly on hand there to give you any anaesthetic, which really helps with making this a sort of relatively pain-free procedure. In terms of, and again, I would recommend Eugenix, sort of how much you get looked after. And it's not just the surgery itself, you also have the hospitality, the front of house staff, the back of house staff. Everybody here can't do enough for you. You only need to raise your hand, and then you will have those queries answered immediately. Say if you need any more drink or any more food, just all quickly on hand to do that. You basically get treated like a king during your surgery here, and again, I can't recommend it enough to other people. If I had to describe Eugenix in one line, I would say patients are always at the heart of Eugenix, so they can't do enough for you. So patients always come first before anything at Eugenix, which is what I really like about the place.